welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're sitting outside. It's nice and warm and it's sunny and the wind is blowing. So today we're gonna do a little flower arrangement that you can do at home with whatever you have. I've got these little, it looks like little roses, but it comes off a pine tree here by us. This is the last little present that my sister who passed away gave to me. So today I'm going to use these and these wooden sticks to make a little flower arrangement with. And then we're going to use the clear lacquer just to seal them. I've got my little tin that we're going to cover, the glue gun. I've got some ribbon here and a little piece of material that we're going to cover the little tin with. This is also for my spare bedroom, my guest bedroom that I'm busy with. As you guys saw on my community posts regarding my crouching work. I'm busy with the spare room still. I've also got a little sharpener just to sharpen the little sticks so that we can put them in here. So first things, what we're going to do is we're going to just switch the glue gun on for it to heat up. And then also just want to say a massive shout out to the members of the channel. Much appreciated your support, guys. Much love to each and every one of you. So what we're first going to do is we're going to quickly just start by sharpening the little wood sticks, like I said, so that they can just because if it's like this, they don't go in here. So what you want to do is you just want to sharpen them a bit to be able to go in there. There's a little hole there, so you just want your stick going in there. So this is what we're going to do. We're just gonna use the sharpener and just sharpen them a little bit. You can also use kebab sticks if you have, just like that. See? Okay, that thing came off. Now this is what we're going to do. It's going to look like this when we're done now. And then we're just going to place them inside our little tin once we're done. So we're going to do a few of these, sharpening, and then we're going to glue them with the glue gun. So we're just going to quickly continue doing this like this. I need a few of these sticks. Okay. I've sharpened 12 of these little sticks. Just sharpen the edges there. So what we're now going to do is, before we start doing our little flowers, I want to quickly cover the little tin with the material, and then we're gonna do the rest. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit skewed, that is where the ribbon comes in to just nicely cover it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the glue and put it here at the edge. And then we're gonna bring it over without burning yourself. So what we're now going to do is we're going to put our ribbon on. Like that. So I'm still getting used to the new glue gun, because I'm so used to the small one that the big one is actually so this is what we're doing now. We're just putting the ribbon on here. I'm just measuring it so that I can cut it quickly. And there's our little tin now, covered. This will be at the back, so you won't see it. It's gonna stand like this now. Now what we're going to do is we're gonna start making our little roses. So, like I said, I've got different sizes of these little pine tree cones, whatever you want to call them, little thingies that we're gonna use. I'm just looking for different sizes quickly. And if our little sticks are not thin enough sharpened, we will just resharpen them and change them. But I want to use different sizes so that it looks nice. Okay. So let's start. Oh my word. Put some glue and then you're just gonna press the little stick in there. It's just to hold it in place. Like that. We're just gonna make them like this, and then like I said, we will use the clear lacquer just to okay, the glue gun is leaking, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do like this. I'm just gonna you see, this is all we do now. Now we're just pressing them in there. I'm literally just covering the tip with a little bit of glue and then pressing it in there so that it just keep it in place. I think 2 more and then we're done. I think the amount of sticks is enough. And then we will spray them with the clear lacquer. I think this looks pretty. Yeah, there's our little, let me just take that one. What I'm now going to do is I am going to use the clear lacquer and just quickly spray each little individual flower, and then we're gonna place them back into the tin for it to dry. So there's all our little flowers all dry like that. And it also gives it a little shine. As you can see, once you spray them, it gives them a little shine. Which is gonna look nice. And there is our little arrangement. And there is our little flower arrangement, our little tin. And this will now be placed in my spare room. Once everything is done in that room, my guest room, you guys will see the full effect of everything that I've done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video and that you can be creative by yourself and try and do something like this with anything that you had at home. Much love to each and every one of you. Thank you once again for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.